So here are some random irregular verbs. This is probably the most difficult group of verbs to learn because there is no formula. Just by looking at the infinitive form of the verb, there is no way to say if they're regular or not. They're difficult because, something is changing in the first part of the verb. Something is changing in the base of the verb. So for example, if we take verb yesti, to eat, you can see that we also dropped s here and suddenly we have d. I highly recommend you when you learn these verbs to learn them in their infinitive form as well as the first person present tense. When you know the first person present tense, it's easy, you take it from there. So, ja idem, ti ideš, on or ona ide, mi idemo, and then vi idete, I oni or one idu. To eat is jesti, and I eat or I'm eating. We don't have the present continuous in Croatian, so the same form for these two. I eat or I'm eating, jedem, and you take it from there. Jedem, jedeš, jede, jedemo, jedete, jedu. So what these verbs have in common are these endings. They all share same endings: m, esh, emo, ete, u. To drink, piti, pijem, piješ, pije, pijemo, pijete, piju. The same for pisati, pišem, pišeš, piše, pišemo, pišete I pišu.